Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make money with Instagram theme page as a beginner in 2023. The first thing you'll need to do is simply create an Instagram account, as you can see right here. For this video, the example that I will be using is the Law of Attraction niche. This niche has gotten really popular over the past few years, and I'll be showing you how these Instagram pages are able to make money. And the steps that I'm about to show you, you can use them in any niche, and you can also use them on any social media platform. So let's say you don't only want to use it on Instagram, you can use it on TikTok, and you can also use it on Reddit by simply adding your own twist to it. I'll be showing you how to create the page. I'll also be showing you how to create the link, as you can see right here, and how to get the free offer that persons will be intrigued and definitely click on so you can start making money. The content to post on your Instagram page is quite easy, as you can simply go onto Google and you can search for contents like these, or you could copy these contents, although I don't recommend that, but you can copy content that other persons have posted and you can simply tag them in the description. Anyways, you have now learned how to get the content for your Instagram page. Let me show you how you'll start making money. And to do that, you'll simply sign up to CPA Grip. Once on CPA Grip, you are going to tap on sign up in the top right hand corner, and you are going to enter your email address and create a password. After doing that, you are going to be redirected to this page. And from here, I want you to go down to the left hand menu option, and you are going to select monetization tools. Then you are going to tap on content lockers. After doing that, you are going to tap on create new content locker. Then you are going to scroll down and you are going to tick I agree to the terms of service, and you are also going to tap on continue. And from here you can see the content locker right here, and all you're going to do is simply go onto pdfdrive.com, as pdfdrive.com is a website that persons can go on to download copyright free ebooks and PDFs. And as we are in the Law of Attraction niche, I went in and I got this book right here, Law of Attraction, Secrets on How to Attract Money. All you'll have to do is simply tap in the search bar, search for the niche that you're in, then find a PDF and simply tap on download. As you can see, I've downloaded the ebook right here. Now what I'll do is simply copy this section right here, the header. Then I'm going to go back into CPA Grip, and once on CPA Grip, you'll see please complete a survey below to unlock, and I'm going to paste what I had copied earlier right here. Okay, now that you have done that, you'll simply tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. Next, you're going to go onto system.io, and system.io is the page that we'll be using to create our squeeze page, or better yet, the formula that we'll be using to create our squeeze page. It's completely free and you do not need to enter your credit card information or anything like that. All you'll do is simply go onto system.io, enter your email address, then they are going to send you a link in your email and you're going to click on it. Once you have clicked on the link, you'll be redirected to this page right here, the dashboard. And from here, you're going to select funnels. Then you're going to tap on create. After selecting create, you're going to enter a name right here that you would like to name the funnel. And you're going to tap on build an audience. Then you're going to scroll down a bit. You can clear the currency. Then select save. Once you have saved it, you are going to tap on the funnel name, as we are going to edit the funnel. You can remove the thank you page, as we only need one page. So tap on the trash can, then tap on confirm. After removing it, we are going to select a squeeze page. As you can see, there are numerous examples to choose from. Let me scroll down and select one that I think would be nice. You can select any one you want. For this example, I'll select this one right here. Then you're going to tap on the edit page icon. After selecting edit page, you're going to simply scroll down, and right here again you're going to paste the name of the book, your ebook. So just simply paste the name of your ebook right here. Law of Attraction, Secrets. And then you'll require the persons to enter their name and also their email address. And right where you see right here, send me the video training, you're going to tap on that. Then from the menu option on the left hand corner, you're going to tap on send form, and you're going to select download file. After selecting download file, you will see this option right here to upload it, and you're going to upload the PDF that you had downloaded earlier. So you'll simply tap on upload and give it a few seconds to upload. Once it has been uploaded, you're going to scroll down, you're going to tap on insert. So now whenever someone goes onto your page and enters their email address, they'll be able to get the free book. But also what I would like you to do is you're going to tap on back right there, and I want you to select raw HTML. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to drag this to the bottom of the page. After dragging it to the bottom of the page, you're going to tap on it right here. Then you're going to select edit code. After selecting edit code, you're going to go back to CPA grip, and the content locker that you had created, you're going to tap on get code, and you're going to copy it. Then you're going to go back into system.io, and you're going to paste the link right in between H2. Then you're going to tap on save. Now let's preview it. I'll tap on save changes. Then tap on preview. And you can see a preview right here. So now whenever someone visits your Instagram and they tap on the link in the bio, they'll be redirected to this page. And on this page, they'll be asked to take a quick survey. Once they have filled out this quick survey, you'll be able to get paid, and they will also get the free ebook. And that's one of the easiest ways, and that's the option that a lot of persons are currently using to make money online with Instagram and theme pages. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.